Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Check Android 9 or later and free about 200 MB so installs run smoothly. Once done, enable app installs from unknown sources in Settings Security so you can sideload utilities. Make sure to back up contacts and any critical data by syncing your Google account. This prevents data loss when you change default apps or import settings. Now that basic safety and permissions are set, you're ready to install the tools that mimic Apple-style settings. You'll sideload a launcher or control app that recreates Apple settings, pick a reputable APK source, and install the package. After installation, grant required permissions like accessibility, notifications, and storage so the app can manage toggles and show system info. Then customize. Choose icon packs, arrange quick toggles, and place control widgets to match Apple's layout. Doing these steps gives you both the look and the interactive behaviors. Make sure to test each toggle to confirm the app communicates with system services. Finish by setting the new app as default launcher or control center when prompted, then test core functions: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display brightness, and do not disturb. Once verified, restore any synced contacts and import saved profiles to preserve your workflow. If something breaks, clear the app cache and data, re-grant accessibility and notification permissions, and reinstall the APK. This resolves most permission or integration issues. If problems persist, reboot the device and retry the permission sequence to ensure the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.